What's going on, people? This is Influence back with another unboxing review, whatever you want to say. This is the AKG N60nc wireless headphones. These are the free headphones you get from Samsung for purchasing the Note 9. These are one of the free gifts, and they're noise canceling. So we're gonna test that out. This is just unboxing, really. Presentation is pretty nice. Got the noise canceling. You can read that if you want. I don't know if you want to. 15 hours look like battery life. See what's up with that. I don't know. We got some specs. Got some cords that come with it. It comes in a box. Black N60nc. Have no idea what that means, but got some AKG branding, some tape. Should have known it was gonna be some damn tape. This is unboxing. I probably should invest in a knife. It's a low budget operation here, but listen. There we go. Always think that's the flathead. That's not the flathead. Alright. Throw that over there. In series. Nice little box. It's not a flat. It's a pull out. Oh, okay. Got a nice little presentation here. Uh-oh. I like the presentation. It's kind of dope. Not bad. Let me put the camera down a little bit. Well, just so you can see. Everything's in the pouch, I believe. Oh no. Here's some books. See what's going on. We got that. We got these. KG branding. We got this thing right here, which looks like an airplane adapter, I think. Yep. Got the airplane on the back. Can't see that because it's light. Alright, that's all in the box. Nice little box. Nice little case. See what's popping. Alright. Uh-oh. Got the headphones. I don't know what this is. We got, must be something keeping it. See what else is in here. We got some stuff you can eat. No, I'm just playing. Don't eat that. USB. Look like mini USB regular to charge it, which is kind of sad deal. Probably why they're giving them free, because they probably got the new ones coming out with USB-C. But it's cool. We got this, which is wired. It can be wired, and I don't know, you might have to use this to wire it. I have no idea, but we are going to see. So yeah, maybe this is an inline speaker. That's what it looks like. So it becomes an inline speaker even when you're not. Okay, they fold up halfway. AKG branding. They feel pretty premium. They feel good. Go down. They fold. Got some buttons. Fast forward. Look like pairing maybe. Oh no, this is probably noise. Yeah, this is probably your noise canceling. Oh no, that's your pairing. Yeah, so maybe that's noise canceling too. Like once you throw it in reverse. Got some volume buttons right there. Or maybe it's always noise canceling. I don't know. I'm gonna stop it and get back in it. I'm gonna try to demonstrate some sound. I don't know if it's gonna work. Got a little clip mic, so I'm gonna see if I can wrap it around the mic and show y'all first impressions. Alright. These are pretty good headphones. I don't know if they're worth what the asking price is for these. I'm not sure. I think it's $100, but I'm not sure. Maybe more. I know they got a $299 pair, or I think they said they were $299 or $199 or something. I don't know, but I will put a link in the description to Amazon, where if you don't have the Note 9 and you want to check these out, I'm not sure. They're probably worth maybe $100 just from first listen. The noise cancellation is pretty good. These are kind of small. I didn't realize they were going to be this small. Hopefully, oh, my fault. You can't even see that. These are small, I was saying. Hopefully, I mean, they cover your ears well, but they sit on top of your ears. But the noise canceling is weird. I put it on, and it kind of made me feel weird. Like, I never experienced that before. But then again, the noise canceling is pretty good because I turned the air conditioner on in here, and as soon as I put it on my ears, it like canceled all of that out. And it's other stuff. Is a fan going, which I probably should have turned off because it's probably on. The mic probably picked it up. But I'm going to try right now, I guess kind of an experiment. I don't know how it's going to work because I don't know if you can put these together. But I'm going to turn the air on. I'm going to place the mic in the middle of these and then couple them together and see if you can tell the difference. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell. If not, I will tell you. Well, if not, it'll probably just cut to my end scene. But if so, you'll hear the difference. So let me turn the air on right now. You're going to hear it come on. Alright, for some reason it stopped recording. But I don't know if that was an automatic feature. Like it cut the sound, so it stopped recording. But let's go. Alright, it's in the earphones now. I don't know what. I guess this is like a little science experiment. I don't know what's happening. I don't know if you can tell. I can say these are some pretty good headphones. And for free? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I mean, I would pay for them, but I don't know if I'm paying $2.99 or $1.99 or I don't know. But I'm going to check and see how much they are. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Go check them out. If you want them, you can buy them from my link. It helps the channel out. But if not, if you got a Note 9 and you trying to figure out what gift you want, I hope I helped. Alright then. Get over with you.
Hip hop, I feel I gotta save. Who am I? You might say influence, and I spit better than most in this game.